I've got a freebie for you. Hello and welcome to the treasured page. I'm Melanie and this is our quiet crafting space. And today I'm just jumping on very quickly just to announce and show you my freebie, totally free to you as a thank you. This wonderful Marianne North journaling kit from the treasured page. So I have put together images that I have used within the journal that I've been making for the Marianne North journal. And if you follow along, or if you have followed along in the playlist, you will see that I have been putting together this epic journal of Marianne North stories. If you've been inspired by the Marianne North journal, you might like to have a look at this and see if you could have a go. And there's a list here of all the places that Marianne North visited in the 1800s as her intrepid adventures across the world to paint botanical images and bring them back to London in 1871. So it was a 15-year expedition of painting and exploring and discovering in a time in which a Victorian lady just shouldn't have been travelling around. But she tore up the rule book and she was a real trailblazer and somebody that we can definitely take some inspiration of her energy to keep going, and her globe-trotting ways have inspired so many of you to watch the channel and hear her stories. So this is all available on my Ko-fi shop. The link is below, but it is completely free. It is just collections of pictures that I've put together for you so that we can journal along together, tell stories and just feel connected to something from our past and how some of these wonderful botanical finds were made, how she's inspired science in botany, and also this forgotten artist needs to have her story told. By the more the merrier. So there's 3 pages of ephemera. You've had a look what's there. We've got all the little labels that you could tear off and make or cut out neatly and show all the different countries that she went to if you would like to journal along with any of these. Plenty of beautiful images here to make tags and side tucks, lots of interesting things, bookmarks or cards. There's sort of the washi tape idea that you could use, some stamps, lots of ephemera pieces here, journaling cards or things to layer up and put on top, maybe 3-dimensionals. Things, portrait and landscape, plenty there. So do help yourself from my Ko-fi shop page. You can download this for free. And this is the 3rd page here. You can see more lovely images, things that we've been talking about, pictures that I've shown throughout my videos as well. Lots of punch out pieces, a lovely vase there, maybe a really fun belly band or a tuck spot for that. And yeah, all the different places from Australia, India, the Seychelles. So those are the 3 ephemera pages. Do please go and help yourself. Download for free. There is a tip jar for donations to support the work that I do and the videos that I put out for you. Any donations or tips, of course, are very gratefully received. Plenty to be going on with and enjoy. Make little booklet with that on the cover. You can decorate envelopes and tags and tickets. These of course make the fun page tabs. If you would like to copy that idea, there is that idea there, and then lots going on. So do go and help yourself to this freebie from my coffee shop. It is on the link below. And here are the background pages. I've muted the tones down to allow it to be writing space to blend into the background. And this one is of the Royal Botanical Kew Gardens in Richmond, just outside of London. And there is the fantastic glass palm house and all the Victorian ladies in their dress. And the swan on the wonderful pond that they have there, or lake, and just really great. So that's how that would appear on one side. And that is a greenhouse that houses those enormous giant water lilies. So that's the water lily greenhouse. And then on this side we've got the fantastic palm house. So that's that. And this is the wisteria surrounding Mount Fuji in Japan that she painted when she went there. And here we have an image from the South Island of New Zealand. Absolutely gorgeous, and some beautiful fruit images with butterflies and birds. Little flowers there. Really, really sweet. Lots that you could do with this. And this is a more autumn feel. This is in New Hampshire in America. So that shows some of the places where she went and really what she was all about. Painting the fruit, the flora, the fauna, but also including the pollinators as well. Really being able to understand the fruits that she painted here and the seeds and things inside. So she was doing more botanical, scientific paintings, but still bringing in the wonderful nature that surrounds these things as well. So it wasn't all clinical, dried, preserved specimens. She was actually making it come to life. So there we go. I really, really have been so inspired by everything to do with Marianne North and my study of her over the last month, and I just wanted to bring that to you all, and you can use those and make your own fun ephemera, and maybe some tags or a little booklet, certainly a signature, anything that you fancy. You could really get to work with that because it's lovely, bright and vibrant. And just to say, these are public domain images, meaning that they are available for you as a resource to do your own projects for the topic of Marianne North, to celebrate her life and honour her artwork. The digital files are not for selling or reproducing for money. They are purely a free resource for you to use in your own home projects. Okay, guys? There we go. So thank you so much for watching that. We're going to get on with the Marianne North stories, and you will be able to find that available to you now up on the Ko-fi page. So that is just going up now, available to everybody, and that is a freebie. Okay, guys? So do please like and subscribe. I will see you in my next video. And above everything else, guys, just slow down and make crafting time for you. Bye bye now.